Hello YouTubers, this is my 1972 GMC C15, basically the same as a C10, same dash and everything. This is me, this is my Clayton Machines gated shifter. It's a Lokar shifter, but you can see the added, this little area here, the Clayton Machine Works right here. I still have my column shifter. I'm going to be removing that, maybe getting a different column. But I wanted something just a little bit different to go with my engine upgrade. I'm doing a LS swap in this. It's a 5.3, and maybe I'll do a video on that. But I wanted something a little bit different, just to have a little bit of fun. So I really like it. I mean, I haven't driven with it yet, but I have a different ball coming for it. This is just the T-handle that I had sitting around from one of my other shifters. This is a Billet Specialties truss handle. Any Tremec handle will bolt to this. I'm going to show you how it works. It's pretty cool. So right now I'm going to tilt it to the left, pull it back. So that's reverse. And then we have neutral, and then we have drive. And then I believe it won't go into third, so I need to push it over a little bit. Dang it. Boom. Hold on. There it goes. Reverse, neutral, drive, third, second, first. Now when I go up with it though, if I push to the left, it'll like stop at 2, so I won't be able to pass on 2. So if I go back to the right, it'll go up to 3, it'll go up to drive, it'll go up to neutral, but it won't go into reverse. To get to reverse, I have to tilt it, reverse, and then drive. So I'll try and get a different angle of it right here. So you get reverse, neutral, drive, won't go into third. So third has to come over here a little bit, and then second. So it's pretty much mountable anywhere. I just chose to mount it in this area. The ball will probably be ideal for it. When I go back up, it's in a pretty comfortable position. I mean, I probably could have scooted it forward just a little bit more, but I really like it. I have a Lokar boot to put on it and a Lokar beauty ring. So it's a little aluminum beauty ring right down there. Now we'll go underneath the truck and see what it looks like under there. So this is the linkage underneath it. We can see it's just a little bar that attaches to the side of the transmission. Then we have a heim joint here, and we have a heim joint back here on the lever. You can see to cut the hole in my floor, it's just a small hole. It was pretty easy to cut. I actually used step drill bits, and just kind of drilled a few holes, and it glides nicely. And then with the boot over it, it'll protect it from any of the rest of the environment. And then just 4 holes. I may add washers to those bolts just to give a little bit more reinforcement on the floor, because I'm sure moving that back and forth is probably going to give the floor a little bit of flex. But here's the undercarriage of my C10. This is a Summit Racing frame stiffener. I'm going to see how it works out. It was a bit of a pain to get in. I tried putting it in with the transmission and engine in the old one, and that was pretty much impossible. So when I did the LS swap, I went ahead and installed it at that time. But pretty excited about how much stiffer this frame's going to be. It definitely had flex before. I autocross it once in a while, but there it is.